go. This part's
a live Facebook video while we're talking about the engine and exhaust line 4.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
This is not smooth right there. It's absorbent at all. Like
yeah, it's very rough.
How smooth the ride is. Last video I was saying how, you know, I've been in comparable HVAC models with other manufacturers, and especially the price point of these units is so refined. Everything is smooth, very balanced inline 4 power plant. I mean, you don't notice a lot of the kind of just shaking and noises at idle or even under acceleration or decel. It's just impressive. State Motorsports, Cookeville, Tennessee, and I believe we are placing our first order on this new model, the Ridge, February 25th. Obviously, won't have an ETA of when they might arrive just yet until we do the order period. But we've done, while it's here, got accessories coming for these models. So, what all did we get this year? We got some windshields.
Yeah, we got a lot of the windshields, back glass, bumpers, a lot of the basic protections type of products.
Yeah, and they were saying this is the first side-by-side model that can fit the Warren Axon series winches.
I was thinking we could cut the video in some sections and voice over it.
Yep, we can add that stuff.
That'd be cool to add.
Yeah.
Here's where we get into the fun stuff.
Yeah, it gets pretty gnarly up here. It's cool.
Pretty rough. These dips are about 2 to 3 feet deep. Oh yeah.
This stuff here, it's hard to tell on camera, but this off-camera stuff is really deep.
See if that helps any.
Oh yeah, it does. And just really get into what do they call it? That road car has articulation and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, this thing flexes. The cabin is staying really stable considering.
Yeah, these bumps are huge. Wow.
This is gnarly. But listen to how quiet everything is. I mean, there's nothing popping,
there's
cracking.
no frame creaking and all that stuff.
So, me and Jared did one that's been to Arizona. This is a really cool place.
Yeah, this facility, I mean, they went all out.
I would love to come here on personal time and
Right.
grab my KX450 and just hammer down.
Have a side-by-side park just built like this.
Yeah. This motor, man, it's a quick rate.
Yeah, it gets up and goes. Like it's builds up a little bit and then you're there.
But at the same time, the power curve seems pretty linear on it.
Oh yeah. Oh.
That'll get you tummy. So next, this is the XR model. Next we're doing the Limiteds, which I'm really excited for. Oh shit. Look at the G-forces. So our lead vehicle is the KRX 1000. Another great machine from Kawasaki.
technical because there's a whole section over there of the deep, deep ruts.
Yeah, so right now this demo ride between Kawasaki dealers across North America, Canada, and US. Just on our demo ride segment here, we've got a little over 70, which is pretty cool.